dog never wanted to leave his pregnant owner's side. No matter how much her husband tried to pull him away, he simply refused to go. Eventually, the family realized that he wasn't just a pet anymore. He had become an important part of the family. Then, when the baby girl was born, his love and devotion grew even stronger. Wherever the little girl went, he followed right behind her. He wanted to be with her every moment of the day. Whenever she went to sleep, the dog would lie beside her, and sometimes he even became her pillow. It seemed as if he saw her as his most precious responsibility and never wanted to be away from her, even for a single moment. Leave a like.